topic tayo, Mabsat. Mga kakabsat, topic tayo. Wait lang. Ako, nasa na yung ating thumbnail? Sorry naman. Okay. Ito, Mabsat, topic tayo. Nakta pa! Desperado na talaga tong kampo ni Sara, pati ebidensya, inaagaw na nila. Ay, nako po, Lord. Diyos ko, pinagtatawa na talaga sila. Anyari sa inyo? Ha? Tarantang-taranta na, pati ebidensya, inaagaw niya. Diyos ko, Lord. Siya, pakinggan natin si Atty. Claire Mabsat. Huwag na natin patagalin to kasi tumatakbo ang oras, alas 11 na. Mamaya alas 12 na. Okay, pasok, Atty. Okay, here we go. Pasok. Ng agaw ng ebidensya, VP Sara, lead counsel. Saka pa! Nangyari.
The rain brings good memories. Naalala mo ba nung bata?
Sige. Bilisan na lang natin.
Medyo kinall out siya. Kinall out siya sa naging action niya, kilos niya. Sige papakita ko na sa inyo mga clear ha. Okay, wait ha.
Wait lang.
I hope napanood nyo to. Pero i-analyze lang natin kung ano nangyari mga kakira. Kasi itong lead counsel ng grupo,
Si Season ba yan?
ni VP Sara, medyo kinall out siya. Kinall out siya sa naging action niya, kilos niya. Sige papakita ko na sa inyo mga clear ha. Okay, wait ha. Okay. Yan. So, wait, iba pumapasok pa eh. Beth De Jesus! Shout out sa mga loyalista. Ito, Rapi Tulpo talaga, nanonood talaga siya. Alag-alag. Na si Master Pogi, huwag natin istorbo. Maylene, Mariana Nale. Ano natin to ha? Tingnan ko, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting idea kung paano. Okay? So, punta tayo dito. Ito kasi ay nagbabasa ng notes. Okay? At magbibigay din tayo ng rules. Aralin natin. Nagbabasa kasi ito ng notes. Itong si Attorney Lotok. Sa Attorney Lotok. Okay.
Now, what about the National Security Council? Ano ba sinabi ng NSA kung alam mo?
Again, Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
Your Honor? Your Honor? May the witness be allowed to refer to his notes once more?
You may do so, Mr. Witness.
Okay, so ganyan yan. In-explain ko na sa inyo before to. If you really want to refresh your memory, para hindi kayo magkamali, especially kung verbatim, kung anong sinabi, at may naka-quote yun, mga clear, it's better to refer dun sa notes nyo na nakuha nyo during the investigation. Kasi baka magkamali kayo eh. Diba? May magkulang lang dyan, sabihin na naman dyan, inconsistent ka. Diba? So, mabuti na tama yung nasabi or yung i-quote.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the question was about the statement of the NSC, right?
Yes.
Statement kasi quote niya kasi.
Quote, the National Security Council considers all threats to the President of the Philippines as serious. Any and all threats against the life of the President shall be validated and considered a matter of national security, unquote.
Okay. Now, sinabi mo rin na
So,
yung...
kailangan lang ito na buksan yung notes niya kasi verbatim yun. Iko-quote eh.
Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP nagbigay din ng kanilang response sa naging pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente. Kung alam mo, tsaka kung maaalala mo, ano ba yung sinabi ng Armed Forces of the Philippines?
Same, Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
Kasi, ang sabi niya dito, hindi naman based on his recollection lang. Kailangan niya, anyway, to refresh his memory at the same time, kasi iko-quote niya, verbatim. Word for word. Just sabihin niya. Yan. Okay. Yan pumasok, si lead counsel. Bigla niyang kinuha yung notes. This is during the direct examination, mga kapatid. During the direct...
Nako po, bistado.
Tanong,
Bistado ka ngayon.
tama ba yun?
Nako po.
Bigla lang niyang kinuha. Oh. Sige. Sige.
Take two.
Ay, sorry. Oh, kinuha niya. Tanong, tama ba? Ako kasi agad at the time, ako, nakita kong ganyan, tututulan ko agad yan. To-call out ko agad yan. Witness ko yan eh. I'm on my direct examination. Tapos gagambalain mo, kukunin mo yung notes niya. Wala ka pa naman sa cross-examination eh. Di ba? Pangalawa, mga clear, nagpaalam ba siya kay court? Or man lang sa lawyer? Hindi, kahit hindi na sa lawyer. Kay court. Kay presiding judge. Or presiding officer. Hindi, di ba? Kinuha niya lang basta. Ha? Eh, medyo ano ako dito ha. Sabi ko, ba't hindi agad kinall out ito ni Atty. Ligutan? Pasok. Kuha. Yan. Diba? Oh. Kuha. Di pa siya nire-recognize dito, mga clear. Diba? Ito yung gusto kong i-call out.
Shout out, Mark Bon Jovi. Shout
Pero
out.
ako
Good morning,
nga, sabi
good morning.
ko, di ko nahihintayin. Hindi ko nahihintayin. Anyway, nagsalita naman si attorney dito. Pero ito pala, pagkuha pa lang niya ng notes, tututulan ko yan.
For the record, borrowing.
Oh, magmamanifest siya. Di pa siya nagpaalam sa court, mga clear. Kinuha niya yung notes. Oh, see?
Naku pa, dinuha na.
Diba?
Naku pa. Paktay ka ngayon. Huli, pero di
mga
kulong.
clear. Ha?
Huli, pero di kulong.
Mag-explain pa ako. Wait lang. So, opposing counsel yan eh. Hindi mo basta-basta ginagrab or kinukuha yung mga personal notes ng witness, especially during the direct examination, without the court's permission.
Naku po.
Cyril, Global.
Again guys, sa mga bagong pasok, shoutout sa inyo, Mark Bon Jovi at saka sa lahat. Like and subscribe po tayo. Here we go.
Mga ka-clear. Diba? Although, you can ask if you can inspect the documents at the right time. Diba? Pero, to physically take and demand the personal notes, meron tayong proper courtroom decorum and procedure. Diba? Pero dito, kita mo, oh, kinuha na, oh. Dinala niya na sa kanya. Oh. Di ba nakakagulat talaga yun? Baka nagulat dito si Atty. Ligutan. Pero parang, ano yung nangyari? Anyari? Oh, dapat kinall out na ni Atty. Ligutan niya pagkalapit pa lang sa witness niya. Dapat na-call out na yan.
Just for the record.
For orderly proceeding.
Ayan, buti na lang, nagsalita.
Your Honor, I think it's proper for authority decision to us to be recognized first.
Oh, di ba? The first place, witness ko to eh. Hindi mo yan witness. Sa personal notes siya, kukunin mo. Oh.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do that. If I may be recognized, Your Honor.
Depends. What is the
Oh?
pleasure of attorney counsel for?
We will do that. If I may be recognized, Your Honor.
Depends. What is the pleasure of attorney counsel for respondent attorney season?
We'll just state an observation on the
Your
note.
Honor, I think
Counsel, we agreed
recognized first.
that only one counsel shall speak insofar as the presentation of a witness is concerned. This was objected to by the counsel for respondents, even if it was asked for by the counsel for the prosecutors.
Your Honor, for
Di ba? Hindi pa pala ikaw yung nakatoka. Hindi ikaw yung nakatoka. Di ba? Kinuha mo yung papel. Hindi ka man lang nagpaalam sa lawyer. Hindi ka nagpaalam sa presiding officer. Di ba? Kaya nga, tignan natin, pinaporma ba siya dito?
Do
For the
that, Your
record,
Honor.
we are not objecting, but for a properly proceeding, Attorney Season.
Council, it's okay. Chair will make a ruling. Attorney Binluan can
Thank you.
handle
Thank you, Your
that.
Honor.
With your permission, Attorney Season.
Your Honor, I'd just like to share the observation that the witness is reading from a notes from
Diba? Maybe you can do that during the cross. But not during the direct examination. Kasi hindi mo pa naman siya tatanungin eh. Nakikinig ka pa lang dyan eh.
Kabado na sila.
Diba?
Wala na. Kabado na.
Anong objection? Anong proper objection? Ang gagawin mo, kinuha mo lang yung papel. Diba? It should not be allowed in the first place.
his notes and not directly from the document that he identified.
And if I may reply to that, Your Honor, to that non-issue, Your Honor, if I may.
Yes.
Your Honor, there's nothing.
Yes, Counsel for the prosecution.
Your Honor, wala po sa rules na kailangan na yung tugon ng isang witness, sinabi niyang notes, dapat based sa isang dokumento. In fact, Your Honor, please, yung iniisip ng ating rules, yung mga notes na ginawa mismo ng witness. For the public, if you're interested, you may look at Rule 130, Section 16 ng Rules of Court. Andun
Actually, hindi siya Rule 130. It is 132 Rule 16. Okay, basahin natin para meron tayong So, dito mga kakri, nakita nyo, buti na lang, hindi siya pinaporma. Unang-una, yung paglapit niya sa witness, wala pa siya sa cross. Siya sa cross examination. Lumapit siya, kinuha niya yung dokumento without the permission of the counsel, without permission of the presiding officer. Mali na yun. Punta tayo sa rule. Rule 16, 132 to. 132. Rule 132 Okay. Examination of witnesses. Masabi dito, when witness may refer to memorandum, a witness may be allowed to refresh his memory respecting a fact by anything written or recorded by himself or under his direction at the time when the fact occurred or immediately thereafter. So, ginagawa mo to at the time na nangyayari
Romeo
pangyayari
Barcibal.
or immediately thereafter. Diba? Siya nag-record.
Okay, Nicones,
Yung notes niya
shout out.
to refresh his memory. Or at any other time when the fact was fresh in his memory and knew that the same was correctly written or recorded. But in such case, the writing or record must be produced and may be inspected by the adverse party who may, if he chooses, may be inspected, right? May be inspected by the adverse party who may, if he chooses, cross-examine the witness upon it and may read it in evidence. Diba? Ito yung time niya para kunin yung dokumento. At sa kanya to, inspect.
Let me get a punch. Let me just hit a punch.
Yun yung point. Diba? So also a witness may testify from such writing or record though he retain no recollection of the particular facts if he is able to swear the writing or record correctly stated that the transaction when made, but such evidence must be with caution. So, sabi niya pa dito, yung witness na hindi niya na matandaan kung ano yung particular na facts, pwede siyang magbasa ng kanyang notes, basta dapat makita niya lang, prove niya lang na siya mismo ang sumulat o nag-record nung mga nasabi o nung mga transaksyong ginawa. Diba? Ayan o. And may be inspected by the other party who may, if he chooses, cross-examine the witness upon it. Dito, direct examination pa lang, makaka-clear. Na-excite na si attorney.
Nag-excite na
Na-excite na si attorney, lumapit sa witness, kinuha yung notes, nang walang paalam. At hindi pa dapat na time. So, sa sobrang excitement, ang gusto niya, siya na magsalita. Diba? Pero, nabutata. hindi pinayagan. Diba? Hindi pinayagan ni Senator Cheese Escudero. Okay? O, yun. Sige, tuloy pa tayo. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo mga kung ano yung procedure, kung ano yung dapat na ginawa.
Yun, kung pwedeng tingnan ng isang testigo yung notes na ginawa niya. Rule 130, Section 16, please.
Before I recognize counsel for respondent, Senator Judge Lacson, what is your pleasure, sir?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is relevant to the discussion.
The gentleman may proceed and he has 2 minutes.
Yes. You requested to refer to your notes a number of times during your direct examination. Ang tanong ko, are you referring to an investigator's notes or notebook or simply notes?
No, Your Honor. During the investigation, I have copies of the
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung rules, mga clear, di ba? Kumbaga, ginawa mo ito at the time when the fact occurred. So, ano yung fact occurred? Investigation. Notes niya during the investigation. So, pwedeng tignan. Pwedeng tignan, hindi na sa affidavit. Notes mo yun eh.
affidavit of investigation
Okay.
that we have.
Yeah, I asked that question because my understanding of an investigator's notes or notebook to be credible and may even be used as part of the examination or evidence in chief, depending on its authenticity and
Excited
purpose. And the rule of
talaga,
evidence
Ryan.
that the contents therein were written on the exact dates when the subjects of those notes actually happened. Ito yung ginawa niyo mismo?
Yes, Your Honor, during
Thank
the
you.
investigation.
Thank you for the clarification.
Thank you, Senator Judge Lacson. Noted and entered in the records. Counsel for respondent, what is your pleasure?
Your Honor, that was mere manifestation, Your Honor. We just want to put it for the record.
There being no objections, some witness may proceed in answer.
O, di ba? Wala lang, pinut on record lang nila. Samantalang si Senator Lacson din, sinabi niya, abang notes mo yan? Notebook mo ba yan? O ginawa niya yan during the investigation? O during the investigation? Pwede, allowed. Diba? Allowed. Diba? Ang hindi kasi naging maganda rito, sobrang excited, kinuha yung notes, walang paalam, as in, kino-question na, bakit nagbabasa ng notes? Diba? Eh, syempre, iba yung gusto na ipakita impression sa ibang tao na hindi ito kapanipaniwala kasi nagbabasa lang ng notes when in fact, sa rules, pwede. At sabi ko, hindi nga dapat kung ako, sabi ko, she has no right to just grab the personal notes of the witness who is under direct examination. Diba? Di pa niya time. Ang gusto mong dragon. Diba? Oh. Gandang-ganda. Ha? Dapat attorney part Lani Prosec panel. Oh, ang ganda nga ng pangalan nito. Ayan yan. Oh, di ba? Ayan, talaga dapat. Gandang-ganda. Thank you. Gandang-ganda. Okay? So, yun lang tinuro ko mga klinak. Pinakita ko sa inyo, it's Rule 132, Section 16 ng Rules of Court na allowed. At pwede niya itong inspect kung i-cross niya ang witness using that documents. Doon niya lang pwedeng inspect.
Again, sa mga bagong pasok, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Sana matanong ng prosecution kung gaano kalalim ang intel ng OVP sa Oplan Romanov. Dapat, di ba? Di nga makapagsita yung lawyer eh. Random content.
Teresa Broga, shout out.
Okay, clear. O, yan lang ang ating topic for,
Deborah G, shout out.
for that. Yan lang yung i-discuss natin. Galet. Can this be called out tomorrow during hearing attorney season's behavior? I don't think. Tapos na eh. Sa akin lang, di ba? Kasi, nagulat nga ako ba't hindi ito kung kinall out ni agad ni attorney Ligutan. Ba't ganun? Nung nakita ko talaga, ba't ganun? Ba't kinuha niya yung notes? Di ba? Kinuha niya lang. Di ba? So ako, hindi pwede yun. Diba? Pepe Malonzo. So for me, sa akin, John Mike TV. Baka nga nagulat lang din si attorney Ligutan. Di ba? Okay, parang snatch. Parang di ba, parang snatch lang kinuha. May Aybaro. Hindi ko nakita kung nag-o to si Si Bis, teka lang ha, tingnan natin ha. Nung kinuha niya, wait lang.
Attorney Season.
Tingnan mo ha. Tingnan. Tingnan nyo. May I borrow? Tingnan nyo. Nagbibasa. Hindi ba nga ito umuo? Yung witness. Nabot na lang kasi kinuha niya. Nauna yung kamay niyang kumuha eh. Diba? Yung kamay niya nakagamit sa notes eh. Hawak na oh. Diba? Kinuha na eh. May I borrow pero yung kamay niya nandun na sa papel. Diba?
Diyos ko po, Rudy.
Diba? Hindi nga umuo yung kliyente. Ay, yung witness. Wala ganyan. Dinigay mo na lang. Hindi kasi tumutol. Hindi niya nadinig tumutol si attorney eh. Kaya siguro, pero that's foul for me. That's foul. Okay mga clear, thank you so much. Isa na lang tayong topic. Sorry medyo na-extend tayo.
Salamat, attorney.
Sorry no. Isa na lang po. Kung
Kailang attorney, nag-enjoy naman kaming lahat dito. Diyos ko, Lord Rudy. Mapsat ng agaw ng ebidensya. Putragis. Nako po. Siya. Di ba dapat nire-request ng prosecution na ikon si pumasok na si NBI Director Matibag. Pakinggan natin na interview siya kanina. Okay. Countdown tayo. Here we go.